Did you know that Nigerian jollof rice can be prepared and enjoyed in so many ways? And today I bring you one of many delicious recipes on how to cook Nigerian jollof rice. So let's dive right in. In my already heated pot, I will go in with my chopped onions. Here we have green, red bell peppers, ginger and garlic. I'll blend and also add into my pot. We'll let this fry for a bit before adding in our tomato paste. This is going to give it a mad flavor, and trust me, you'll enjoy this jollof rice. At this point, I will go in with a little bit of rosemary, bay leaves, curry powder, nutmeg, and chicken seasoning. I used Kitchen Glory for this. Now our stew base for the jollof rice is done. You know this when the oil comes on top. So we'll add in our washed white rice and fry it in our stew base, in our jollof rice stew base for 2 minutes before adding in our meat stock at this point. Stir to combine, test and adjust seasoning right after adding in our meat stock because we don't want to overspice our jollof rice. So I added in 2 Maggi cubes and salt. Then I'll go ahead and cover this and allow it to steam on low heat. Jollof rice doesn't need much water to cook. Just steam it on low heat and your rice will be delicious and ready. At this point, my rice is almost done. I added in a little bit of onions to boost the flavors of this jollof rice, and trust me, this food was to kill and die for. Thank you for watching up to this point. I know you love this jollof rice recipe. Of course you do. So why don't you go ahead and give this video a thumb up and also give me a follow if you are not following already. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I love you guys so much. Now go ahead and enjoy your Nigerian jollof rice. Bye.